the summer came, we can go everywhere. So let's take it to the beach. Girl, it's just you and me. Now the summer came, so we can go everywhere. Let's take it to the beach. Girl, it's just you and me.
What's up guys, welcome to another episode of the brand new Hit the Road vlog. Today, really exciting day. We're going out on a yacht with my good friend Pedro. Stay tuned, this one's gonna be awesome. So we're starting off in Santa Cruz today. We're prepping for our trip. We're just doing a quick pit stop, buying some things that we're gonna use for the boat. So we're stopping off here at the farmers market, which is actually my first time here. I've never been inside this farmers market. Pretty excited to see what's inside. We're gonna get some oranges, some lemons, and some rum. Maybe you can guess what that's for. Let's go and have a look. All set. We've got our oranges, our lemons, our rum, which you can guess what it's for. And now it's time for coffee and to buy some snacks for our boat trip. Favorite go-to bakery in Santa Cruz. These guys have got the best passion fruit cheesecake. Come and check it out. This guy, yeah, every time I order something, he puts on something extra. Really cool guy. So we got these extra chocolate things that we're gonna try, and this, which looks kind of interesting. It's like a lemon kind of meringue cake kind of thing. Hopefully it'll be real nice. Yo!
Hey Jeff, what's up man? Good to see you again.
Yeah, a long time now.
Yeah, a long time. Are you excited about today?
Oh yeah, always. Huh?
Are we going to see some whales and dolphins?
Who knows? Who knows, baby?
Yeah, let's hope for it.
They will see whales and dolphins for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Be loads of fun. I'm thinking I should have rented it out for the week, eh? Hey Pedro? Well, should we have rented this out for the week? But it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. So we're on board Pedro's yacht. Pedro is my good friend for a while now. We've worked before in the past, and he has a company called Rota dos Cetáceos, which is a dolphin and whale watching company in Funchal, the best one around. And of course he also does this kind of luxury yacht charter as well. So he offered to take us out today to get some good footage for the vlog, and of course to promote his business. And we're having a great day. I'm thinking if I want to swim, you know, it looks really, really nice. You know, it's actually starting to warm up, you know. I think Atiba might swim as well.
Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. You have
no, he doesn't want to swim, but I think I might swim.
Oh, I just got it, thought I lost it, but now I got it, keep it. Oh, I just got it, thought
Hi, my name is Pedro. I'm the owner of the Rota dos Cetáceos and the yacht charter too. This is our Princess V50. It's with 16 meters long. We have all the things you need to relax and enjoy the Madeira island. That's what I call a luxury life. Yeah, our guests, it's economic high level. We have lots of opportunities for the guests to choose what they want to eat. We have sushi on board, we have fresh fish. We can catch the fish and do it in barbecue on board. We have lots of drinks, we have sun always. That's an important thing. We can discover the 3 islands. We have Madeira Island, we have Desertas Island, and we have Porto Santo Island, always in private. Families, friends, it's always like that. Keep in touch with us. You have the Instagram, it's Rota dos Cetáceos 2016. We have the email, we have all the contacts there. For sure you're gonna find us.
I'm gonna swim.
We'll do a slow motion even.
Okay, I'm gonna swim. I'm gonna swim. Yeah, cut.
I got the rock star parking everybody wants. Out on the street, 40 feet from the bus stop. Cause every day and every night I'm slamming the bubbly Diet Coke from the store down on the corner block. I don't even notice all these plastic dishes. You know I'm a handle.
So how's the water, Jeff?
And it's good. It's good. Not bad. What do you think, Pedro? 19 degrees? Woo! It's a bit cold. It was actually really nice. Now I'm feeling good. Usually I start swimming in March, April. So February is a little bit early for me. But with such a nice day, it's not bad, but it's a bit cold.
Very
You
proud.
should try it.
No, it's you, whatever.
Yeah, I already did it yesterday, but I dislocated my knee. So
Pacific, you know how I handle my business. Boss, baby, I'm a boss.
For poncha, it's real easy. 1 part juice, 1 part rum. So we're doing it by eye, but I mean, like, if that much of juice, then we're gonna do about that much of rum. And in general, we do a little bit more lemon than orange. We'll try it to see if it's the right taste. And we do some honey as well. So the honey is like honey from the bees. In case some people think it's another kind of honey, like the molasses or something. And honey is to taste. So then, of course, the poncha stick. What a lot of people don't know is that when you're doing that, it's not just like whatever, but actually one hand stays still and the other hand moves. It's actually a bit of an art, you know. And of course, you want to get it nice and foamy. Do you wanna try, Ilse? One hand moves. Yeah. You gotta loosen up a little bit. Yeah. I think it's ready.
Ready to drink?
Let's try it.
More honey.
Maybe a little bit more honey.
Baby, I'm a boss. Calling all the shots. Baby, I'm a boss. You know I'm a baller.
All right, absolutely epic trip with Pedro's yacht. Of course, if you guys are looking for a luxury yacht in Madeira, this is the guy to do it. Porto Santo, Desertas, all around the island. It's one hell of an experience. Also, don't forget he does dolphin and whale watching at Rota dos Cetáceos. All the links are linked down below. Don't forget, we're running a special for the whole of 2021. There's 21% off all of our Jeep tours, nature walks, and camping trips in 2021 and 2022. All trips booked throughout 2021. Like and subscribe to this video. There's going to be loads of cool Madeira videos coming out throughout the whole year, every Monday at 7 p.m. Don't miss it. 2021 is by far from over. I'll see you guys later.